Hey, hope your day is going well. In today's video, I've got some excellent news. This is really exciting. Western Governors University has just launched a health science program. It is a Bachelor of Science in Health Science. The reason this is so exciting is because pre-med type majors have been really hard to accelerate in the past. If you wanted to be a doctor or a medical professional, there were some kind of unique paths we had to take to shave off a couple of years of your pre-med, but it just got easier. Western Governors University, if you don't know anything about this school, it is one of the most friendly schools on the planet for accelerating college degrees, and it has a very, very good reputation. If we go to their website, let's walk through this program and I'll show you why I'm so excited about it. If you just scroll down and click on bachelor's degrees under the health and nursing section, what you'll see, you scroll down and right here you see health science BS. If we view the degree, the first thing I want to show you is what courses you're required to take. If we scroll down to courses, click on program guide and open up the program guide, we can scroll down and see the exact courses that you're going to be taking in this particular program. As you can see here, there's a ton of cool stuff that can translate really, really well into medical school. So a lot of these classes can count as your pre-med, and this can be a very friendly major for that. As we can see here, you're going to take things like chemistry, anatomy and physiology, psychology, anatomy and physiology 2 with labs, sociology, pathophysiology, health, fitness and wellness, cognitive psychology. You're going to learn about the business side of healthcare and a whole bunch more. So if we dive into these classes, they match up pretty well with the prerequisite classes that are required for medical school. Now, of course, whatever medical school you're trying to get into, you need to make sure that whatever your undergrad is going to open that door and get you in. So you should always map it out ahead of time. But this is really, really good news. Health science has been a really popular undergrad for a long time for medical school and other medical related majors. Now we're going to come back to this page because there's something that's you really, really need to see, but I want to walk you through something really cool. This is a list of universities that have accepted WGU grads into their master's and doctorate programs. And if we go through this list, you're going to see schools like Harvard University, yes, Ivy League schools. Johns Hopkins University, absolutely incredible. Their medical school is insane. MIT, Penn State University, Purdue University, Princeton University, University of Cal Berkeley, University of Pennsylvania, yes, more Ivy League, Vanderbilt University, Yale University, and so many more really prestigious schools. So you're talking about an undergraduate that you can earn really, really quickly. I've helped people earn bachelor's degrees like as fast as 3 months at this particular school, which is incredible. It's one of my favorite schools for acceleration, but also have it be a quality degree that can get you into really, really prestigious schools down the road. This is insanely good news. Now, if we jump back to the program guide really quick, I want to point something out. This particular program, this health science program, if we look at the way that it's structured, this gray section is 1 semester, 2nd semester, 3rd semester, 4th semester, 5th semester, 6th semester, and 7th semester. So this program is structured to be about 3.5 years. But if you do it right, you can go so much faster. Now, the key here is to use acceleration techniques that the school allows. They're just not going to teach you how to do it because it's not in their best interest to have you graduate faster. Now, I teach students how to do this all the time. I have a program called Degree Hacking Academy. If you want to learn more about that, I'll leave a link down below in the video description. You can click a link, look at the program and see if it's a good fit for you. And if you want to learn more, I'd be happy to chat with you about it. Feel free to reach out. This is excellent news. WGU Health Science, we've been waiting for it for a really long time and they finally announced it. For me personally, if I want to be a doctor or go to some type of medical school, this would be the very first program that I look at as I'm mapping out my path to get to where I want to go. Remember, map it out, make sure you're doing things properly, make sure that whatever undergrad you choose is going to get you into the school you're trying to get into, but this is the first place that I would look. I rate this an A+ program. Have a wonderful day. Click that link below if you want to learn more, and I'll talk to you in the next video.